I believe that every gardener should have a Hori Hori in their toolkit, and this one is mine. This is the Hori Hori Ultimate by Bare Bones, and this is not a sponsored post. I just thought I'd show you how I maintain my wood handle on my Hori Hori. As you can see here, mine is due for some conditioning, so I grabbed some 400 grit sandpaper and I'm sanding off the rest of the old wax that was still left behind. It's important to use a 400 grit or higher sandpaper because it will make sure you don't have any splintering in your handle. This garden tool is literally my best friend, I swear. I use this thing so much. The end has a hammer tool on it so I can pound stakes into the ground. It's also great for camping, and it also has two edges, a straight edge and a serrated edge for cutting through tough roots or any twine you may need to cut. Bare Bones truly makes tools that are meant to last, and this one shows all of the gardening adventures that I've had so far. I've had it for about 3 years now, and I absolutely love it. I do have a little bit of rock in my landscape, so digging through here, I chipped the blade. And I was considering replacing it, but I don't want to do that because I think it actually tells a story. With a little bit of care, it almost looks just like new, but with the telltale signs of my gardening adventures. Happy gardening!